Welcome. In front of me is a REALME C21Y, and today I will show you how to enable and set up the portable hotspot. So to get started, you want to pull down your notification panel like such and find the toggle for it, which for me looks to be on a second page right over here. So once you find your toggle, hold it. This will quickly take you to the settings. Now you do want to do this if you're using your hotspot for the first time, because under Wi-Fi Hotspot you will find your password, and this thing is just randomly generated. So obviously, number one, it's not easy to remember, and number two, you have no way of knowing what it is if you don't look in here. But what I recommend you to do is interact with it and then just simply remove the old one and set your own. The new password needs to have at least 8 characters in length. That can be letters, numbers, whatever you want, and then you can save it. Now we do also have some other settings. As you can see, we have hotspot names. You can change that if you want to. That's just going to be the name of the phone. We have security, keep it as it is. We have turn off hotspot automatically. I also would recommend you to keep this as it is. Then we have maximum amount of users that can connect at a given moment. Probably change it. 10 people is a little bit hefty. You can change it to like 1 or 2, depending how many people you want to have on your phone's network. We have hide SSID. I wouldn't recommend using that. It will hide your network completely, meaning that for someone to connect to it, they will need to know the exact name of it and also the password. Whitelist mode. I actually have no idea what that is. It doesn't really even tell me what it is, so I'm gonna skip that. Connected users, just an info how many people are connected, and then you can actually whitelist devices apparently. Now, once you went through all the settings right here, you can toggle it on either from here or from the toggle in your notifications right over here. And additionally, you can turn it off or on from here as well. And lastly, once you're done using your hotspot, you can turn it off, obviously, which will preserve your battery. And hopefully you went with the route to turn it off automatically when you're not using it. Then when you forget to turn it off, your phone will do it for you. The reason why I recommend that, hotspot does consume more battery, and sometimes it also uses your Wi-Fi antennas, as it is in this case as well. So as you've seen, once you enable hotspot, it just starts using the same antennas that you use yourself for Wi-Fi. So whenever you will be using your device with hotspot on, it automatically also uses mobile data. Even if you have Wi-Fi that you can connect to, you can't, because you're broadcasting hotspot through the same thing. So anyway, that being said, this is how you would set it up and use it. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.